Hey guys, it's Marshall Ting with your Paris Stockyard. Market in a minute for today, March 30th of 2023. So we've had a really busy day here at the stockyards. We've sold just under 2,200 head of cattle, barely missed it by like 3 head. So we've had a busy day, but this market continues to stay strong. Not too much of an influx on prices on these cattle. Demand is extremely high. Prices remain high. It's a good sign as we move forward here into April. So let's talk about this real fast. So your feeder steers, we're going to call them steady all the way across the board. So like I said, not too much of a difference in price. We did see some really high highs, but demand on these things are really, really strong. Now, your lightweight heifer cattle, heifers under 500 pounds, we're going to call them steady to $2 higher. Your heifers over 5, going to be steady, but the demand on these things were outstanding today. I mean, if they were 5, 6, 7, 8 weight heifers, these guys had to have them in the seats, and that's a great sign for all of our consigners today. Now, your weight cows and weight bulls, we're going to call them pretty much steady. Still see some really strong highs on those and some really strong bull numbers too on that. But let's talk about what these cattle are worth. So your little 4-weight steer cattle this week. 4-weight steer cattle, you're going to be looking at 207 to 237 and a half. They're going to top off at 267. 5-weight steer cattle, $2 to $227. They're going to top off at $243. Check out these 6-weight steer cattle now. 6 weights, $1.82 to $207. Top selling 6-weight steer calf today, $238. That's a phenomenal number. It didn't seem like too long ago. Somebody hit them at $216, and we just thought the world had lost its mind. Now $216 is going to be kind of on the bottom end or the mid-range of those 6-weight cattle. That's a great sign on your 6s now. Talk about these heifers. 4-weight heifer cattle, $199 up to $221. They topped off at $240. 5-weight heifer cattle, $180 to $202, and they're going to top off at $212.50. So your heifer trade is extremely strong, like I said. Now your weight cow market's going to be pretty much steady. Top selling weight cow today was going to be right at $1.12. Top selling weight bull, $149.50. We tried like the dickens to get him up there to $1.50 and just barely missed it by half a dollar. But he was sure enough a machine, a big stout bull. Now we did have a few cows, bred cows, and cow-calf pairs up for auction today. Top selling pairs, 7 to 9 month bred cows are going to be $1,500. Top selling pairs are going to be right at $1,600 on those. But check out some of these numbers. We had some astronomical groups come through here today. Check out these numbers. I want to start off with a really strong set of steers now, the highest that I've seen in quite some time. Ready for this? Here we go. Here's 61 head of steers, 847 pounds on the average. Ready for this? 190.50. Like I said, that's about as high as you'd ever run across here in Central Kentucky. Here in this last little bit, an extremely strong number for a good set of black-eyed steers. But check out these heifers now. These lightweight heifers, here's a big set of them here. Here's 86 head of heifers, 483 pounds on the average, all blacks. 227 on your heifers. But check out your big heavyweights now. Here's 24 head of these heifers, 740 pounds on the average, all black, 173.75. So a really strong trade on your big heifers. Now don't forget, this weekend, William Rogers is having an equipment sale right here at the stockyards. That's going to be right at 10 o'clock on Saturday morning. That's on April the 1st. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to look up William Rogers, give him a call. The flyer's already posted on Facebook. We've got an outstanding line of equipment. That's this Saturday at 10 o'clock for William Rogers. Now, as always, on behalf of myself and everyone at Paris Stockyards, we just want to say thank you for your business. We truly are farmers doing business with the farmers, and if there's anything we can do to help you with your livestock marketing needs, we sure would love to help you out. As always, thank you so much. See you next Thursday.